Imagine a discovery so significant that it forces scientists to rethink everything we thought we knew about our ancient ancestors. That's exactly the case with a fascinating, nearly intact human skull found in a Greek cave back in 1960. An artifact that has sparked heated debate among anthropologists for more than 60 years. But here's where the story gets truly intriguing. Recent research finally suggests this skull comes from a member of an archaic human species that coexisted with Neanderthals in Europe around 300,000 years ago, but wasn't part of their evolutionary line. Known by experts as the Petralona hominin, this skull was unearthed in the Petralona cave near Thessaloniki, Greece. Right from the start, it grabbed scientific attention, with researchers eager to decipher its unique features and figure out which human species it might represent. Early on, some argued it could be a very early Homo sapiens, while others linked it to Homo erectus, or even the Neanderthals themselves. And this is the part most people miss. The Petralona skull closely resembles a similarly aged skull found in Zambia in 1921, which has now been identified as Homo Heidelbergensis, a now extinct human ancestor thought to give rise to both Neanderthals and modern humans. But controversy surrounds this find. One of the thorniest issues has always been pinpointing its age. Over the decades, scientific tests have produced a dizzying range of results, from as young as 170,000 years to as old as 700,000 years, leaving experts locked in debate. Now, using a technique called uranium series dating, a fresh study has finally delivered clarity. The Petralona skull is at least 286,000 years old. This puts it right in the same time frame as the Zambian H. Heidelbergensis specimen. Examining the details, scientists notice that the Petralona cranium lacks the mid-face features typical of Neanderthals, a key detail that speaks volumes. Therefore, the researchers believe it most likely belongs to Homo heidelbergensis. This insight supports a provocative idea that populations of H. heidelbergensis in both Europe and Africa remained closely related for a long period during the Middle Pleistocene era, forming a widespread group that persisted much longer in Europe than previously thought, even as the Neanderthal lineage was taking shape. Here's where things might get controversial. If H. heidelbergensis sensu lato really did coexist with Neanderthals for thousands of years, what does that say about ancient human migrations and interactions? Did these groups compete or possibly share ideas and technology? Could it be time to rethink which species truly gave rise to modern humans? The study, published in the Journal of Human Evolution, concludes that the Petralona specimen is solid evidence that ancient relatives distinct from Neanderthals persisted in southern Europe well into the crucial period of human development. So what do you think? Does this challenge the conventional story of human evolution? Should the importance of Homo heidelbergensis be reconsidered? Dive into the debate. Are you convinced by the new findings, or do you think there's still more to uncover about our ancient past? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.